येयला डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ऑफिसांतले येयल्या आणि BDO ऑफिसांतले येयले. They have come to seize the premises because I have filed a complaint with the authorities that the entire construction is illegal. They do not have the technical clearance order from the TCP. Neither they have a construction license from the Panchayat. Okay, nor this thing is constructed in a field which is as per the regional plan. This property is designed as this thing as a field, paddy field, and there's no way you can do such a construction. Secondly, there's somebody who is supporting it. Now we have made a number of complaints to the Panchayat, asking them to act, but till date the Panchayat has not held the joint site inspection. Which I have asked them with the authorities like the TCP, like the National Highway Authority, collector and the Mamladar. With this, they have never held a site inspection because they want to have a site inspection because they don't have anybody to have a site inspection. They don't have any engineers who will give the correct site inspection report. So for that reason, we asked them to go for a joint site inspection, which they have not done. Secondly, they have no permissions from the Goa State Pollution Board. They have no permission for no conversion sanad also. And all this taking into consideration, we filed a number of complaints, and we have been filing number of complaints with the Panchayat also, but Panchayat is not acting. It appears that the Panchayat is in hand in gloves, and Panchayat is trying to protect, and to support illegalities in the village. And this is exactly what the High Court has said in the petition, that in their orders that no such thing, no illegal construction can be taken.